Hey gardening fantastics. By now you guys should know that's what I call you guys. My family that comes to support me and subscribe to my channel, giving me thumbs up, maybe even possibly sharing one of my videos. Wow. But guys, what I'm sharing with you today is a red onion. See right there to the left on the end is a new root. This is the first time I have propagated a red onion. I've done green onions, as you have seen in my previous videos, but look at here, red onion showing out, propagating, giving me roots. Now I'm going to go and put this in the dirt. I guess in a minute I'll wait and see if any other new roots appear, but I'm going to put this bad boy in the dirt as soon as it get more roots. It's only been like about, I guess, 3.5 days since I had this in water, sitting right up here on my kitchen counter. Not the counter, but behind the sink. I guess the sink counter. But anyway, thank you guys. Welcome back, and thank you all the new subscribers that come and that have came and subscribed to my channel and enjoy my content. Yeah, I'll be a little silly, but believe me, I do have a little gardening skills, and I am, and I hope, and hopefully you guys appreciate my little skills in my little balcony garden that I love. And I hope that you guys will soon fall in love with too, because if you keep coming back, you must like something. And I definitely enjoy your videos. Some of you guys, did I say some? Excuse me, take that word and throw it in the trash. Let it compost. All of you gardening fantastics have amazing channels. And I love your content. It's beautiful. And I'm learning so much from you guys that are, you know, propagating and growing and cultivating. Oh, so wonderful. I am so happy that I have gotten back into the spirit of enjoying gardening again. I have been on a long break, you guys. But anyway, I'm glad to be back, and I'm glad to be making new friends on my newly created gardening channel. Keep coming back, y'all. Hope you guys keep enjoying the content. And like I said, in the comment section, please share and let me know if you have new content. Tell me to come and watch, please. Because right now I have subscribed to quite a few channels, and I'm slow as a snail, but I will truly get there. And with your help in the comment section, letting me know, just by coming, I click on your name and I go right to your channel to check for new content. Thank you for so much support, and thank you for teaching me about so much more about gardening. I love it. Okay, you guys, don't forget to read my description box for messages and important information. I have a P.O. box, I have a Cash App, I have a email address. Any of those things you guys feel like getting involved with, feel free to do so. And thank you so much. I appreciate you. And have a great day and a great gardening day. Bye.